No, it can't be.
Bradley Bloodshard. Looks like your wolf is even more fragile than paper. Father! You old bastard! Your pack cheated! He doesn't even have a wolf. How could he possibly beat my father? What kind of filthy trick did you do?
There's clearly not a trace of wolf on him. But that power, the effortless way he wielded it, it rivals even the Lichen King at the peak of his legend. Who the hell is he?
You little bastard! Don't get cocky! Do you know who my uncle is? He's Chase Sorewind. The Alpha! Ranked 8th on the scroll! If you dare hurt us, he'll never let you go! Raven! Come back here! Don't make it further! You'll bring toe disaster upon Red Claw! Even if he were Alpha from the toughest pack, anyone who dares harm my family will end up dead.
What a brash kid. It's you who will die. You are done, kid.
Uncle Chase! You're finally here! You're finished. My uncle is ranked 8th on the scroll. His power will tear you apart like rotten wood.
8 on the scroll. It's over. Red Claw is doomed.
Kid, listen to Mum. Run! You can still get away from this now! You've done so much for us, we won't blame you! Go! Raven, go!
Don't worry, Mum. Laurie, I told you. I'll make sure they never dare set foot on Red Claw land again.
Who do you think you are? The Lichen King? You're nothing but an ignorant brat who doesn't know his place. Today, I'll show you what true alpha power is.
It can't be.
Take this!
Hurry, free for a limited time. Click to watch now.